Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When Acrobat applies OCR to a PDF document, it is possible for some text to be converted incorrectly. At the end of the OCR scan, Acrobat sometimes identifies areas of text that may have been incorrectly recognized. These areas are called suspects. To locate and correct OCR suspects, first apply OCR to a document using Acrobat. Next, choose Correct Recognized Text from the Recognize Text drop-down menu in the Enhanced Scans toolbar. In most cases, a pop-up dialog box will display the message, "The document does not contain any suspects." You can click OK to dismiss the message. When you select the Correct Recognized Text feature, the Enhanced Scans toolbar expands to display additional features. The expanded toolbar displays information about any suspects identified by Acrobat. The Image field within the toolbar shows the original image from the PDF. The Recognized As box displays Acrobat's best guess regarding which character best represents the image. You can click the Accept button to apply Acrobat's suggestion. You can also click into the Recognized As field and type in the characters you prefer. Then, after making your correction, click the Accept button. Acrobat then displays the next suspect. Review the suspects using the Recognized As field to make changes as needed. When finished, click the Close button in the secondary toolbar. Be sure to save your changes to the PDF.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.